Let's start with the second example, and what is said here in this example: two springs A and B of constants. Okay, so the spring constant of A is twice of the spring constant of B are stretched by applying force of equal magnitude. Okay, so equal for both the spring is force. The energy stored in A is E. So let's first of all derive the formula for energy stored. The energy stored in a spring is given by half k x square. While when F force is applied, it would be equal to kx. So I can write F in place of F as x as F upon k. So this k will go there. So E will be equal to half k into F upon k square. So the energy stored will be equal to half k into F square upon k square. So this kk cancel. So energy stored in the spring when F force is applied, it would be F square upon 2k. So energy stored in spring A will be equal to F square upon 2ka, and energy stored in spring B will be equal to F square upon 2kb. While it is said here ka is 2 times of kb. Okay, so if E is the energy stored here, so I can write this as F square upon 2 into, in place of this I will write ka upon 2, and this 2 will go there. So it will be twice of F square upon 2ka, which is twice of the energy stored in spring A. So energy stored in spring B will be twice of the energy stored in spring A. So the answer to this question is B. Thank you.